Crochet Master and welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Hair by Clippers. Yes, indeed, today I've been quiet for some couple of days, but today I've decided to come and we keep on our lesson that has been taking place concerning to the hairstyles. So this time around I have something that is very interesting that I would like us to look at, because we have been doing this for some time back, but this time around there's something that is very interesting that I have seen that we need to know, and this is about the knotless braid. So allow me to first do this so that we can start together. Oh yes, welcome back from that, and please, you should always make it a point by clicking on that red button. Please try to ring the bell. Yes, there's something that is very interesting that we need to know, like those who have been learning on how to do knotless braids. Yes, it's a simple hairstyle, but there's something that I've realized that we need to know about it, because when you keep on doing some hairstyle, those mistakes that you keep on learning, and then if I get them, those are the things that I would like to share with you. Like the knotless braids will always do it for the adults, but this time around I've got a reason why we can also try to do it for these kids also. So now I chose the color, and did for the brown people, this would be the best color for her. So the only thing I want you to watch out, the method that I used, you're going to love it. So we have been doing the knotless braids like the way you also know how to do it, because for me, I've been doing it, but I realized that if you continue with that method from behind, when you reach in front, it may not look good, or it may come out very soon. I think let's try to look at this video as you're watching so that you get to understand what I'm trying to use. All right, yes, my main point was, like, we have been doing the knotless braids, and we have been doing it the same way, like from behind up to the front. We have been doing it the same way, and I realized there is a mistake that we always do when it comes to the braid, for the braids, how they can blend. So as like from behind, we always bring it this way. Try to look here. From behind, we always plait it like this. I know everyone always do that. So for me, what I do, from behind, I plait it this same way as you also do. So I count these two lines from here, like where the corner of the forehead stops, like the way you can see this way, and even the other way, the same thing. So like this hair, the remaining, the one that I'm holding, the band, the puff holders, that one I use the inside knotless, so that if I'm holding the puff, it's going to be a very easy for me, and it's going to look neat. You know, sometimes try to look at your knotless braids. When it comes to from behind, it always look nice. Yes, try to look behind the braids, the way they sleep nicely when it is behind. Try to, like, even when you hold it from behind, if you hold the braid themselves behind, you feel like, yeah, that they're sleeping very well. But now when it comes to in front, since you come from behind doing the same method, when you reach in front, the method, if you don't change it, it means the ones in front, they're not going to look like the one behind. So for me, what I do the inside knotless, like the way you're seeing here, the way I'm doing, so that it matches. I don't know if you're trying to understand what I'm trying to say, but but after you will realize what I'm trying to say. You try to those ones who played the knotless braid, try to look in front. Your braids also very neat, like the ones in behind. So if you know that, you will go in my comment section and try to comment, tell me if it's the same way, because for me I chose to use this format in front here, like where the corner of the forehead stops, so that it can match with that one, or with the one of behind. So this is the same thing that I can also advise you guys to learn how to do it, and trust me, you will love doing the knotless format. And if it's in you will love doing the knotless then inside knotless, because if you do it this way, the way I'm doing, there are two possibilities. One, you'll be able to lock it, that is number one, and another thing, you will be able to I don't know how I can explain it, your puff is going to look neat as the one behind. So those, try to look here, try to look here, try to look here. You see how it looks? So this same way is the way it's going to, the way behind looks. So those ones who have been doing the knotless braids, I don't say that maybe those ones are not, they're looking bad, no, but what I'm trying to say is that it is always very, very good. Like, we always try to make sure that we make it look the same. The way it looks behind, it's the same thing that it should look the front, so that we can balance our puff very perfect. So let's try to make sure that we continue with that, so that by the time we're done with everything, trust me, we'll be able to learn everything about the inside knotless. Yes, so this is what I got for you. Like, when we do this method, we always do it from behind, you understand? Like, we come doing it. Let's try to look at this method so that you can see well. So as you're doing that, it is always like it is hard for you to keep on doing that method when it comes to in front, you understand? So it means when you reach in front, you need to change. So changing it means since you have come plating it, looking up, when you reach in front, it's also supposed to do like it's going this side, so that you're not trying to trying to change the direction of the hair, because now this side, it is showing that is down as you see in the video, but here in front, if you keep on using the same method, that means in front is not going to look the same as behind, you understand? So now me, what I decided, I use the inside knotless. You understand? So that is the method that you can also try to learn. Trust me, you're going to love it. So try to go in my comment section right now. Tell me what you think about this style, and maybe we can chat more. I love sharing ideas, and please, if you have also an idea, you can still tell me and we do this together. But please don't forget to click on that red button, ring the bell, because this channel is all about sharing ideas, and we need to learn. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and please enjoy that.